Hey, Verlinda Sweeting here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to give you I guess we can call it a review slash tutorial because I want to talk about Systeme, but there's something that I would like to show you, a feature that I thought is pretty neat when using the system. So I'll give you a little brief introduction of it, and at the end I'll show you how to use it, okay? So Systeme, all right, is a popular business tool created by Aurelian Amaker, and I hope I am saying his name right, but I think I'm pretty close. So if you're familiar with systems like GetResponse, Aweber, ClickFunnels, you'll have everything all in one. It's an all-in-one platform, okay? So it allows you to create capture forms, capture pages. You have email campaigns that you can create. You can host your online training and you can sell it. Those are really cool things that you can do with Systeme. So I'm going to go ahead and show you these features. That way you can see them. In my experience, I've had separate tools. Now I don't have to worry about using two different platforms. I can just use everything here, okay? And the cool thing about it is I was able to start off with this for free, and it's free forever. You can keep it for free as long as you want and use it, right? But if you're growing, you can think about how beneficial it would be for you to upgrade, of course. But I spent time with this system trying to learn some cool things, and one of them I want to show you today. So all the tools you need under one roof. If you're used to using two systems and maybe you want to downsize to just putting everything in one roof, then you can think about using Systeme. Another thing to note too is a lot of us like the platforms that we're using. ClickFunnels is good. Power Lead System. There's so many really cool systems out there. They all have their own special features to it. But sometimes we run into the problem where we have our prospects, they need an alternative. And say you have ClickFunnels, but your prospects can't afford it. Okay, you can provide something that fits their budget. They can test it out for free. Again, it's free forever. If they like what they see, they find it user-friendly, then hey, you just gained a satisfied customer. So those are things that you can look at as well when you're trying to use platforms that perhaps you have, but yet your prospects, they just can't afford to use it right now. Okay, also another cool thing I want to talk about, you can also become a Systeme expert with their free video certification course. So that's cool too. So just imagine you get to know this platform, you watch the videos inside, and you master everything here, and now you're able to, expand your business, expand your marketing, because you learned new ways of how to use Systeme. Perhaps someone does not know how to use it, and it's no pressure for you because you took the course, you learned it at your own pace, and now you know how to help others use it. So pretty cool thing to consider. I'll put the link below so that you can start getting that certification for yourself, okay? Here we go. All right, so let me go back to the features here. We're going to scroll on down, and here you can see you can create sales funnels. It says that it replaces ClickFunnels, Kartra, Kajabi, Lead Pages, and more. You can send emails, all right? You can build websites, okay? You can manage your affiliates. So say you created an affiliate offer, you can come here and manage your affiliate links and the payout all in the same place. You can create online courses. So when I had the free version of Systeme, I was, curious how the course works, and I went around and played around in there with some old trainings that I did. It's fun because you can put your videos there, you can write your questions, and they can kind of do a little quiz and move on to the next part of the course. So pretty neat, okay? automate your marketing, everything you need in the same place. So like I said earlier, you can get a free account right now. You don't ever have to upgrade. You can keep it free and use it just the way it is. No credit card required. So you just enter your email address, follow the instructions, and you're in right away. And you can just explore the dashboard. Okay. So you want to know about pricing? I'm going to show you, but I highly recommend you start with the free so that you can get a feel to see if it's something you like or not. So here's the free plan. You can have up to 2,000 contacts. And with those 2,000 contacts, you can send emails to them unlimited times. Sales funnels, you're allowed to have 3 of those. Sales funnel steps, you can have 15. If you want to create a blog, you can only have 1. Blog posts are unlimited. Courses, remember I was talking about how you can create your own courses and quizzes and things like that. You're only allowed to have 1 as a free member, okay? And the students, though, is unlimited. So how cool is that? You got your communities, your file storage is unlimited, which is great. Automation rules is what I'm going to be talking about today to show you how to use that. You got your workflows, your tags, and all those other cool features. I'm just going to scroll down and you can kind of see everything. Pretty cool. All right. And that's it. Okay. Just want you to see everything that I'm scrolling down here. All right. So let me go ahead and log in. All right. So now for what I wanted to show you guys. Thank you for continuing to watch this. We're going to talk about the automation rules section. Okay. And in other videos, I'll talk about other things, but I think this is very important, especially if you're advertising your business opportunity in multiple advertising sources. So if you're using only one source to advertise, like let's just say you're only using YouTube, then you don't need to do this. But if you're using multiple ways to reach people, such as YouTube, Instagram, solo ads, okay, especially people who use solo ads, because you have multiple vendors that you might use. You might not use the same one all the time. There's so many different vendors, so you're going to need to separate these so that you can see the stats of each one. All right, so we're going to create one. I already have one created, but I'm going to show you how to do that. So once you create your capture page, you have your funnels and everything set together, right? Okay, here's an example of mine. So what we're going to do is we're going to go inside of the funnel that we created, and we're going to duplicate the opt-in form. Okay, I did create a squeeze page, but I'm not using it, but I have everything directing to my thank you page. All right, so when they opt in, this one here is directing from TikTok, right? And then I have another one that I'm going to create, and it's going to be for YouTube. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what you do. So this is my main opt-in form here, and I started off using this first just to test in one area, one advertising source. And you guys know that I love using safe lists, so I like to test everything there first. It's free. I just like to do that. And so now I'm going to create more forms so that I can put those new links in different advertising sources. Okay, so I hope you follow me here. If you're brand new and you don't understand how this works, you'll be able to see how important this is. But I know it's advanced. So if you already created your funnel, you only have one, and you're using one advertising source, then you don't really need to do this. But if you have multiple advertising sources, you want to do this. Okay, first you're going to create your opt-in page and your thank you page and all that. You want to connect them. So after you did that, you're going to go at the opt-in form, and you're going to come here and you're going to click duplicate. Okay, it's going to ask you if you're sure you want to do this. It's going to copy the funnel step. You don't have to worry about anything else. You just need that opt-in copied. So I'm going to click confirm, and it created that for me. So I'm going to call this YouTube. Okay. All right. YouTube. Okay. That's it. And I'm going to click outside of the box, and it saves it automatically. All right. So now I have a new link. Okay. So we have TikTok and we have YouTube now. Okay, so now I'm going to go to automations and I'm going to click on rules. And then I'm going to look for that form because I have other funnels, but I'm going to go to the one funnel that I'm talking about, and that's this one here. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to edit it. And then I have TikTok. You can see I have TikTok here, but where is YouTube? Well, we have to create a trigger. So I'm going to add one. Click on funnel, step, form, subscribe. Okay. So now we have it new here. And what you're going to do is look for your funnel. So mine is the IPS funnel. Okay. And now the one I just created is YouTube. All right. That's very, very easy. We just created that. And then all you do is save the rule. Okay. That's all. That's it. All right. The other thing that you'll have to do is test it. So you're going to go to the funnels. You're going to click on that funnel that you created and look for your TikTok. So there, I mean, not TikTok, your YouTube. So there it is. You're going to copy it and you're just going to, open a new window, paste and go, and then you're going to test and make sure that it works. So that's what I did. And I saw that it confirmed. This is a junk email that I used, and I saw that I can confirm it. Everything came through the same way it was. I did that test for YouTube. Okay. So when you go to your automation, I did that test for TikTok. So let me show you for my TikTok. You click on your stats and you'll see here where all of the where your opt-ins came from. Okay. Right here. Those would be your conversions for your opt-in. Okay. So that's how you test that. All right. So I hope you learned from that. And now that you know, you can be able to do this on your own. And all you do is just, again, you come here, you click duplicate, and then you'll do the next one for Instagram. Okay. And the next one for Facebook, and the next one for solo ads. Okay. Thank you for allowing me to show you this really cool feature of Systeme. Again, if you don't have the free account, you can go in the description and have the link below. The first link below, just click on it, create your free account, and play around with it. It's a really fun system. I really like this. I've had other systems before, and I like them as well, but I'm really enjoying Systeme. So thank you again. My name is Verlinda Sweeting. Talk to you guys soon.